So next, let us go to logarithmic limits. In this you have one formula, limit x tends to 0, log 1 plus x by x is equal to 1. So how can the questions be asked? So for example, you have limit x tends to 0, log 1 plus sin x or sin square x by x square. So if you are asked to find this limit. So what is the standard limit? Something tends to 0, log 1 plus something by same thing is equal to 1. Here you have sin square x within log x. So what I do is, as x tends to 0, you can also see that sin x also tends to 0, right? As x tends to 0, sin x also tends to 0 and sin square x also tends to 0. So what we can do is, limit as x tends to 0, we can also write that sin square x also tends to 0. So log of 1 plus sin square x. So what I do is, I'll divide both numerator and denominator by sin square x. So what happens when you do this? So as you can see, limit sin square x tends to 0, log of 1 plus sin square x by sin square x, this whole thing goes to 1. And as sin x by x goes to 1, x by sin x also goes to 1. So x square by sin square x also goes to 1. So you get 1 as the answer.